Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Twitter engagement rates easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by analyzing your current engagement metrics. Access Twitter Analytics to review your tweets' performance. Identify which tweets are getting the most engagement. Pay attention to likes, retweets, and replies. Pinpoint trends in content that resonates with your audience. Next, refine your content strategy based on these insights. Focus on high-quality visuals, such as images and videos. Use eye-catching headlines to grab attention. Incorporate polls or questions to encourage interaction. Share content that provides value to your followers. Consider posting at optimal times when your audience is most active. Use Twitter's scheduling tools to plan your posts ahead. Engage with your audience by responding to comments promptly. Participate in relevant Twitter chats to increase visibility. Follow influencers in your niche for inspiration and networking. Cross-promote your Twitter content on other social platforms. Utilize relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategy based on results. Stay consistent with your posting to maintain engagement levels. Experiment with different types of content to find the best fit. Aim for authenticity to build a genuine connection with your audience. Remember, engagement takes time and effort to cultivate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.